Hi, good morning. It's been a minute since I've seen you. I'm mostly just behind the camera right now because there's nothing really going on with my car at the moment. So there was that MAF sensor that we put in, but it's been so hot. It's still in the hundreds and it's the first week of September. So once it starts to cool down, hopefully sometime next week I'll start driving it around a little bit more, and then I'll see if that's the issue, why the RPMs keep dropping so much. So that's kind of the biggest thing I'm worried about for my car right now. We do have something that just came in. I do have something that just came in. Blaine ordered this for me a very long time ago. I think it was over a year ago. So this item was a group buy, meaning that like everybody pre-orders this item so that way they can put it into production, and then you kind of get the first look at it. So on the S14s that have a sunroof on it, there's this fiberglass trim that goes around the whole sunroof, and then there's a rubber sealant that prevents all the water from going inside the roof. But unfortunately, because the car gets old and it's in the sun, that fiberglass piece breaks off, and it's super common. But for a minute now, I've just been having this rubber trim on it. This is the door trim. I think it's universal door trim. You know, the ones that sometimes come in chrome. It's the same one, and I just put it all the way around, and it actually fits pretty perfect. It doesn't do a good job at sealing, obviously, but for the most part it makes it look a lot cleaner than if it was just to have the metal showing. So that's why Blaine ordered this from Iridium. It's supposed to replace the fiberglass piece and the seal, so we should have a waterproofed car. I think the sunroof piece has been broken on my car for a minute because when we got it, there was condensation all on the inside of the car, and I think it was because there was no sealant on the sunroof. It's just regular Permatex, and then this is the seal. I'm pretty sure it should be pretty self-explanatory. You just put it on. I'm gonna try to do it kind of good though, so hopefully it works out. I just have to close the sunroof real quick. For real, if you're looking for a cheap alternative, this one is pretty good because look at how perfect this lays. This by far has to be the most satisfying part of it all. I didn't realize that there's this whole strip of rubber that you can cut off, and I'm just using a scraper to take it off, and it's so cool. I'll show you. Oh, shoot. It's so old, so the rubber just comes off in a whole strip. Also, if you guys make your own videos, I just got the DJI Osmo 3. It's what I'm using to film right now. It's freaking so sick. It's so sick because it has a gimbal head, so you can shoot in all different directions, and then you can connect it to your phone and you can control it from there. And then I have this super sick magnet. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me see. So the garage door is rolled up right now, just for the light. But and now you get a top-down view. It's so sick. Yeah, we're trying it out right now. I just got it maybe a week or two ago. But so far, I'm having a lot of fun using it. And then for such a small camera, it has a pretty good image quality. I haven't really messed with any of the settings, but so far 10 out of 10. Would definitely recommend. This is how old the fiberglass is. This is one of the pieces that I found in the trim. Okay, of course this piece doesn't break. Let me see if I can find another one. Okay, this is the piece, look. Okay, it's because I already broke this piece in half, so it doesn't have more to crack. I have to find another one. I have to find a fresh piece. Okay, this piece. This one's gonna work. Do you see how easily that broke? Does it ever take you guys just forever to do anything on the car? Cause I've been out here since 10:30. It's 2:30 right now, and I only took the sealant off, and I'm now wiping everything down with alcohol because that's what the instructions say to do. But after this, we can just lay the glue down and then put the seal on. And then I think we should be good. It comes with Permatex to put it on. And I like that they put this one in and it's not just some random brand. I already put the sealant down, but I accidentally messed up and I didn't even measure anything first. I thought that it would be a perfect fit, but I forgot
There's a seam.
You need to cut it, huh?
No.
No, it's perfect.
Yeah, but there's a seam, so where do you want the seam to be?
Oh, I want the seam to be in the front.
Yeah, but in the middle, right? So
Yeah.
that's what we're trying to find in the middle right now. That's what we're doing.
Oh, okay. So it's 32 3/4.
6/8, so 3/8. 16 and 3/8.
Okay, so like...
I got a tape right here. Look.
Make sure you make it perfect.
I'm always perfect, girl. Okay, it doesn't even like super perfect, but yeah.
No. Yeah.
It's honestly right about where you put your. It's honestly right about where you had it.
Okay. It's fine if it's a little off.
Oh yeah, your whole card's a little off.
Oh, whatever. Oh wait. I don't have any battery.
Don't have a battery, guys. So you're gonna steal the battery from the yellow car. It's a good thing my car works. Okay, try it out.
I'm dead. You said your battery was good. Look at your battery.
No, I think it's your starter. Remember, we were gonna change the starter.
Oh yeah. I don't know. Do I need more glue than that? Okay, well, I thought it was gonna come easier. It's the next day. There was a couple of things that I did wrong on the roof seal, so we did it a little bit better. We took it off the car, so I'll show you guys what it looks like in a minute. But we're at Cafe 86 because we're taking a break because it's really hot right now. They have a really good halo halo here, but I wanted to show you guys because it's a little bit different than regular halo halo. So we just parked. We're gonna go inside. So this is the upside down halo halo, and it's super good because instead of having it all cream or milk over here, it's ube, and then at the bottom they have boba, which this is the first place that I've had that has boba in their halo halo. But it's perfect because this boba doesn't get hard because of the ice. It stays super chewy. So we're back home now. This is what the sunroof looks like. We just taped down all the edges. The hardest thing was getting these corners to lay flat, but then we just used some of these little weights and holded it down. It's not fully dried yet. We tried to touch it and it's still a little bit soft, so we're gonna let it dry. But we're gonna go to Bradley's house because he just built a shop, so we're gonna go check it out, and then we'll come back another day and then we'll install the sunroof.
Oh, cuz with the wooden bar on top. Now, what is it? Why is practicing flips or something?
Yeah.
Or you?
I don't need practice. I don't need practice.
He said, when I try, I take the mat away. Let me try.
Roar.
Yeah. Oh, cuz.
Cruising fuck, bro.
Yeah.
How's this? I gotta open up the bays. The only thing is I gotta open it from the outside, so let me go.
Freaking mean. So this is Bradley's new shop, so he can finally start on his projects that he's been freaking taking a long time to do. That's good. Oh, it's pretty big, yeah? Yeah. You push that freaking S14 in here?
Yeah. I'm gonna push him with the tractor.
Bro.
Yeah. Look, we should take the forks off the tractor and use a big plate. I used a tow strap, we dragged it out onto the road, and then we pushed it.
Yeah, that's the whole freaking bumper.
Everything, yeah.
Yeah, looks clean. Are you gonna gravel this later?
Yeah, so we're gonna get a quote. But see, it's like level with the road, because this is like a valley right here, so.
Are you gonna keep it like a ditch?
No, we're gonna make it
Level all the way back? All I know is you better get with fire alarm system inside here.
I'm actually gonna pull a fire off.
Put a state of the art, yeah. I better see sprinklers and everything, cuz. I better get the kind that automatically call 911. Yeah.
What do you mean better get the guy? That's normal, boo.
Yeah. Better yet, always get.
But this is pretty nice. There's overhang.
Yeah, that's me.
And they put siding too. So.
What are the animals you guys gonna grab?
Alligator.
Alligator, crocodile.
Yeah. Oh, you guys okay? Come, you guys. Well, I'll let Becca show you guys because you guys gonna laugh. No, don't go yet. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
It's a surprise.
Close your eyes. Kelly, close your eyes. Now open them.
Bro, why do you have so many horses now, Becca? There's like
Look at the little one in the back.
there's so many horses.
7.
What the heck?
I have a problem.
You had like 1 or 2 last time we were here. Bro, look, she literally has a pony. This white horse is nice. What's the white horse's name?
Ghost.
That's fitting.
Well, that's nice. That small one, that one can talk.
This one can talk. He's like, thank you very much.
Yep, that one looks good.
He goes,
Bro, I got a little petting zoo going on. Look at all these horses, bro. Well, the horses know it's dinner time, huh?
Yeah.
They're impatient. You hear them? They're about to.
yeah.
Freaking 6 we're supposed to eat. Look at how hungry he is, bro. It's like, oh, you thought Bradley was into cars? Nah, he's into horses. You just asked if that's a full-size horse.
It's funny because that's a joke that we would make.
Yeah.
But Christine is not making a joke.
Yeah, that's why it's even more funny.
It's
Is
a
it
mini.
a full-size horse? Oh, yeah.
Are you meaning like for that horse is that full grown?
Yeah.
Yeah. Even a regular horse is bigger than that when it's small.
How do you have a mini horse?
Why do they sound like that? They have motors.
Look at that horse found where the source of the food is. that horse is eating straight out the barrel.
That's the pony.
You can pick the last
go.
one up.
Get one? Okay.
Not the dead one.
Not the dog.
Not the dead one.
That one.
Is that what that was? They're not moving.
Oh, look
Oh,
at
you
this
got a
one.
nice one.
This is a pretty one.
Do they bite or section you?
Nope.